And
Mr.
on the
Patil,
other hand,
I can understand that legally you're trying to say that there was no strategy on your part to escape the questioning. That's what I understand, and that's what I think the High Court has also taken into cognizance and given protection to Mr. Yediyurappa. But we're talking about messaging here. Like, people watching right now, they of course have an image of B.S. Yediyurappa, a very stalwart leader, not just of a particular party, but of course, when you consider the south of India, he's of course been around in politics for a long time. Now, when the court issued a non-bailable arrest warrant against Yediyurappa in a POCSO case, there were also reports coming out that Mr. B.S. Yediyurappa was untraceable. And there were, of course, a clear indication, a clear messaging being sent out that Yediyurappa's team, which is your team, was not reaching out, was not replying to the summons, was not being very cooperative. And the whole point here is that while legally you might be on the right, but the fact is the messaging that goes out is that Mr. Yediyurappa is trying to be evasive.
now in a case which is politically motivated, in a case where the accused feels that it is only because of political vendetta you want to arrest me, he has to have a legal route out of it. And this was only one day.
Is
Previous
there a
day,
proof,
the
Mr.
warrant
Patil?
was issued.
Mr. Patil, you are saying it's a politically motivated case. Is there a proof? Do you have any evidence that this could be politically motivated? Because we're just listening to the Congress leaders and everyone coming out and stating that we are absolutely not involved. This is just a legal action that's being taken. There is no political motivation. So now that you claim it, is there any proof that you have?
Now this case was itself, it started in month of February. FIR was lodged in the month of March. And all the investigations took place from March till now. A case which was going towards closure, now it takes a U-turn after 1st of June and 7th of June. 1st of June, everybody is aware in Karnataka that magistrate court had summoned the Honorable Chief Minister as well as Honorable Deputy Chief Minister. It had also summoned Mr. Rahul Gandhi. Two of them attended the court on 1st and Mr. Rahul Gandhi attended the court on 7th. Now on 10th, this notice came about. Now, so therefore, a matter which was laying low, a matter which was going towards closure, took a U-turn without any basis. Now they want to arrest Mr. Yediyurappa. So all these things, if a culmination of these things would only indicate that it is a political spirited one, more so because today before the court, they were unable to establish any grounds whatsoever as to why they want to have an arrest warrant and arrest him. So therefore, this was clearly written and the court was kind enough to protect him.
No, but Mr. Patil, I'm trying to still look for what exactly makes you think that this is a political case, because you are saying that they're trying to get Mr. Yediyurappa arrested at the earliest. Now, someone that files a complaint, of course, wants the person that they're filing a complaint against to be arrested at the earliest. How does this indicate a political motivation? I'm still not getting that answer from you.
Let me correct you. Complainant, anybody can move a criminal law into motion. There is no compulsion. Any amount of severity the offence may be, it is for the IO to decide whether the person accused of should be arrested or not. Since this arrest was violated in such a manner, Supreme Court time and again came heavily on the investigating agencies and fixed a cap. Any offence which is punishable lesser than 7 years, you are not supposed to arrest at all. So I wonder, a case which the punishment is for 5 years, not even 7 years. Now they want to arrest Mr. Yediyurappa after having got all the information out of him in the previous round of interrogation. They had nothing before the court to say custodial interrogation is required, but they have to justify it. Nobody can take anybody's liberty in that fashion and take him into custody. They have to justify before the court. So therefore there are laws, therefore there are safeguards even to an accused person. Because mind you, it is only an accusation against him. He is not proven guilty of the offence. So therefore his liberty is also
Also, Mr. Patil, the accusation The accusation is not just about sexual assault. The accusation is also about the allegations. There are allegations also that there has been an attempt to destroy the evidence, including the deletion of a video recorded by the complainant. How do you respond to that?
Now, if the records would indicate that there was no destruction of any of the evidence, all those things are there before the police itself. And all this were part of the complaint. Having already issued a notice under 41A, already made up the mind that this is not a case where we can go ahead and arrest. What made them to now take a warrant? They have to justify it, not accused. So it is for the prosecuting agency who miserably failed before the court today to show cause why they wanted warrant at all. So therefore, anyway, the court has already put Yediyurappa into terms. He himself had voluntarily said that on 12th I am unable to attend, 17th I am going to attend. He will attend on 17th.
Okay. Mr. Patil, before we wrap this discussion up, of course, you've been cooperative, you've been answering all the questions. Help our viewers understand what exactly happened that day.
Now, that's a sub judice thing. I am sorry, I cannot react now. It is part of the record. I should not be commenting on that.
All right. We respect your stance, Mr. Patil, but again, I was only asking you that question because, of course, there have been serious allegations coming against your client. The allegations also include destruction of evidence. The allegations include being evasive. And the fact of the matter is that you did not comply with the CBI summons. You did not appear, in fact, the CID summons. You did not appear for the questioning. And now, of course, the arrest warrant has also been given, and now you sought a protection. So, of course, the serious questions are going to be raised. And appreciate you joining us on the broadcast there, putting your point across and also your client's point across as